everybody, Dawn McGee here, your wellness strategist and nutrition evangelist. And it is the crazy busy holiday season, right? And we have all of these things to do, gifts to buy for other people, dinners to host, parties to attend. We're trying to keep all six of our spinning plates in the air, right? Food, water, movement, sleep, stress, balancing any supplements and medications we're taking. All of these things are important. And if we don't put the mask on ourselves first, if we don't find some way to cultivate a little bit of joy, none of the other stuff is going to matter because we are going to be curled up in a ball on the couch, not wanting to do any of the things. If you have ever been there, maybe in a corner in the closet with a pint of Ben and Jerry's, I don't know. If you've been there, if this resonates with you, if this is something that your clients talk to you about, how to balance and manage the stresses of the season, I want to coach you on a couple of things to do. One is carve out some time in your day, whatever amount it is, whether it's an hour, whether it's 20 minutes, whether it's 5 minutes twice a day, that is just for you, where you're going to know that your to-do list will still be there when you are done and you're going to do something for you. That could be sitting and reading your book. It could be going out for a walk. It could be stretching. It could be a whole day off. Last week, I went down with a friend and we went to a storytelling event, which was super fun. And we had lunch out and we had these super cool makeup lessons for grown-ups, which was a ton of fun, just to sort of sit there and be pampered a little and learn something new, of course. Um, that really helped me reset and get back into a frame of mind where I was feeling good about all the things that I was doing for everybody else because I took the time to do a little something for me. And that's the main thing that I want to leave you with today. Short, sweet, super important. Make sure you do something every day for you that's going to make you smile. Maybe it's just putting on a song that you like and closing down all of the screens for that song and just sitting and listening to it. Whatever it is, find something that will give you joy just for you this season so that you can get through it all with a little bit of added grace, added patience, and a little bit less stress. Why? Because the more stress you have, the higher your cortisol levels are, the higher your inflammation is going to be. Um, Long term, it can impact your adrenals. It impacts, um, quite frankly, your waistline because the stress and the inflammation really shows up in your body. There's a saying, the body keeps the score, and it does, I promise you. So let's make sure it's a good score. For all of you who celebrate all of the things this season, I wish you a very happy holiday season. I will, of course, be here next week and every Thursday. Um, I hope you live a life you love with things that bring you joy and lots of happiness. Until next week, ciao.